Hi guys, it's GT here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to find the Deathbrand treasure, which is marked on the map during the Deathbrand quest. So guys, after reading this book Deathbrand, you will have received a miscellaneous quest and eventually wind up on this island here and end up fighting a pirate captain. Now after killing this pirate captain guys, you will have found this Deathbrand treasure map on him, and you will notice that when we take a closer look there are 4 X's on it. And these 4 X's on the map are the hidden locations of the Deathbrand treasure, which if you didn't know are pieces of Deathbrand armour. So first of all we're going to start with the treasure location in the top right of the map. Now thankfully guys we are already there, and if you just head forward on this small island here where you fought the pirate captain, you will notice that there is an ancient chest. This chest guys is an expert lock, so you will need to bring some lockpicks with you, and once you take a look inside guys you will find the Deathbrand helm, which is the first piece of hidden treasure. And as you can see it does look pretty cool. So guys, just to show you the map location of this piece of treasure, it is indeed on the island called Hackney Shoal, which is where we fought the pirate captain, and that is just north of Skull Village. So moving on to the second piece of hidden treasure. This one is the one on the left hand side nearer the top. The exact map location for this one is just where you can see my cursor here guys, so just in front of where my character is standing. The easiest way that I found to get here was to fast travel to the Waterstone and then walk along the coast here until I found this spot here. So as you're walking along the coast you will come down here and then past these creatures here, past this huge waterfall, and then you will walk along here guys and find this chest. You'll need to unlock this chest to get to the treasure, so make sure you bring some lockpicks with you. Inside you will find the Deathbrand gauntlet. We now have our second piece of treasure. Moving on to our third piece of hidden treasure, we are looking at the cross on the map, which is on the left hand side near the bottom. The exact map location of this treasure is just where my cursor is here, just in front of my character. Now guys, this is just west of Raven Rock and just north of the Earthstone. The easiest place to get to this part is by simply travelling to the Earthstone and then walking along the coast again. So the Earthstone that I fast travel to is just here guys, and then I'm going to walk down this section here. Now I'm heading for this little cluster of trees. As you approach it, do be prepared for a fight guys, because there are 2 strong enemies that you do need to fight. So once you've killed both of the Reavers, just head to this little cluster of trees here, and you'll notice guys that just on your left in a little hole, we find another ancient chest. Again, it is an adept chest, so make sure you bring some lockpicks with you. And inside we find our third piece of treasure, which is the Deathbrand armour. So moving on to our fourth and final treasure location, this is the one in the bottom right of the map. So the exact map location of our final piece of treasure is here where my cursor is. Now it's just west of Tel Mithrin, but if you haven't travelled to this location yet guys, it is just south of the Sunstone. Now I found the easiest way to get here was to simply fast travel to the Sunstone and then walk down to this location here. So just over in the distance there guys, you can see the Sunstone that I fast travelled to. Now when you get to this kind of area by the mushrooms, do be prepared for a fight, simply because there are 3 or 4 ash spawns that will be here when you get here. So once you've killed the ash spawns, just travel south down this kind of beach area here, and then you will see guys by these basalt rocks that there is another chest, and this is where our fourth and final piece of treasure is. You will notice that this chest has an expert lock, so do be sure to bring enough lockpicks to make sure you can get into it. So inside our fourth and final chest you will find the Deathbrand boots, which complete our Deathbrand armour set. We can go ahead and take those, and you'll also find a Glinthull barrow key, which if we take that will then update our quest, as you can see. You now have the next section of the quest, which is to explore the barrow. Just having a more in-depth look at the armour guys, you will notice that first of all it is worth a hell of a lot of coins. Some of the perks that you get with this armour are very good. And that's not even taking into account the fact that it looks really cool too. So hopefully this guide has helped you guys. If it has helped you find the treasure locations, be sure to like, comment and of course subscribe. I do really appreciate everybody that does that. So stick around and hopefully I'll see you soon.